Welcome to the chapter number 4, section number 2, which is identifying your prospects and targets for Helpdesk CRM. Some people call it ticket management CRM as well, or support call CRM, but ultimately they're all the same. I hope that you have completed the homework that I had given you in the last video. If you have not completed it, please do it after watching this video so that we can move ahead well prepared. So let us understand which are the customers who may need this helpdesk management or what they call ticket management or support call CRM. First are those businesses who use it for service or complaint management after selling their products. Second are those who use it for internal ticket management. And third are those who use the CRM to manage AMC or renewals. Let us talk about the first category, how the service or product complaint calls are managed with the CRM. Which businesses need it? But please make sure that you pitch only to those who have multiple branches or have a good ticket size or have multiple region-wise service centers. I will tell you, near my home, there is an air conditioner dealer, an IT hardware business, and a home appliances showroom. Okay. So these people do not use the CRM. There are just 4 persons working there, and they don't feel like using the CRM because they actually don't need the CRM. So CRM will not be taken there anyways. But a short distance ahead, there is a distributor of multiple brands HP, Dell, Lenovo, okay, Apple. He has a team of 10 people. 4 of them are in sales and 6 are in service, who go in the field to solve customer problems, etc. So there they use the CRM because they really need the CRM. The ticket size does matter, as I had explained in the previous video, right? So now we'll see how and why the CRM is required really to manage the service or the product complaints. Okay, let us say we have sold a certain product. There is some problem in that. The customer approaches us with the complaint that there is a problem in the product. So, we will check the complaint as to whether the product is within the warranty or not. Accordingly, we forward the complaint to a service engineer who is a support person. Then the service engineer takes the customer's appointment and visits the site or calls for the product to the office and works on it. The whole journey from receiving the complaint to closing the complaint has many steps which owners miss out. How many tickets or complaints were received? Who did I assign them to? What did they do? When did they visit? And because there is no control on these, somehow the customer is left dissatisfied with our organization. This may result in slower growth of the business because of poor reviews. Here, the CRM is always required. Now, some customers are such who have service centers in multiple regions. Whenever a customer registers a complaint about their product in the head office, they forward the complaint to the nearest service center, and then the same process happens. The service engineer visits the site, solves the problem, and generates the report. Here too, the CRM is used accordingly. Now we'll discuss the second category, which is internal ticket management. Now you may be thinking how the CRM can be used for this purpose. Let me explain. Suppose it is a huge enterprise and there are multiple teams of people. Internal housekeeping team, the IT team, HR team, air cooling, all are available within the organization. When any employee faces a problem like his laptop is not working, PC is not working, or there is some problem with the AC, or he wants to complain something to the HR. For this, they register an internal ticket and that is automatically assigned to the respective department. Then it is worked upon, it is solved, and the ticket is closed. So, this way, the CRM is required to manage the internal tickets, but that in a large organization, as I mentioned in the beginning. Now, we'll talk about those customers who require the CRM to manage the AMC or the renewals. The same example, there are machinery products or laboratory products, or kitchen equipments, or home appliances, or air cooling. So, have you noticed what is common in these businesses? The products of these businesses need service from time to time. They need servicing or maintenance for which the customer mostly enters in the AMC or a contract with the vendor. In this contract, we send our service engineer to the customer site every quarter to check if everything is working fine and to service the product. So here the CRM helps by automatically generating a task in the system for the engineer scheduling his service visits and reminding him of the quarterly service visits. Here the CRM works very well. And secondly, if we see from the customer's point of view, they need to call their customers to renew the contract. Correct? So, sir, the AMC of this product is expiring. Would you like to renew it? This needs follow up. Here too, CRM comes in handy. At the time when any contract is expiring, or sometime prior to that, or any date which the customer has decided, a task is automatically generated in the CRM. And on that task, your team takes action for the renewal. Here too, the CRM is required. So I hope you have a clear picture as to which businesses need the CRM to manage which processes. Let me quickly summarize all the points again. We first talked about the businesses where the products need servicing or there are customer complaints. CRM manages these processes, but make sure that the ticket size is good. Second, internal ticket management. We talked about a large enterprise, right? Where there are housekeeping teams, IT teams, air conditioning, HR teams. Here, to assign the internal task to the respective department or to solve internal problems, ticket management is required. And the third one is the AMC or renewal. In the AMC, our service engineers' visits should happen as per scheduled time. And also for the renewal of expiring contracts, the CRM is required. I hope you've understood all the points from this video. And please make sure you complete your homework. See you in the next section.